Hello and welcome. So we're having a little walk around a town called Bolsover in Derbyshire. And hopefully I can show you a few things that's around here. It has got a very impressive castle, so if you're ever in the area, please do try and visit the castle, because it's well worth it. So the first thing I want to show you is this building over here, which it's got a blue sign on it. Shall we see the blue sign? And this is this building is basically an example of an early cottage that was used making local quarried magnesium limestone with a pan-tiled roof. Its former commercial uses of this place was a tailor's printing workshop as well, and today it acts as a joinery business. As you can see, it's Simon Cresswell Joinery. So now we're heading up to the assembly hall, and the assembly hall is basically up there, Shell.
Right.
That is the assembly hall. Just have a look at the sign here for Rotary Club. So if we stand over here, just have a quick look at it. So as we're getting further into town here, this is the Bolsover Assembly Hall. It was built in 1866 as a Methodist chapel. It's the second one in town, preceding the 1897 chapel further along Hilltop. It's a handsome example. Today, sympathetically restored and extended, it acts as the main community centre of the town here. And we've got a nice little pub here, look, the Byron Tap. Small micro pub. Is it micro pub? Yeah, it's a bit of micro pub, isn't it? It looks nice. Right, cross over again then. And then obviously we've got another pub here called the Black Bull. To the left of the door is a metal cover. What is written on it? I'll show you what it looks like. And obviously got the church in the background. And the village here. Right. So there's another pub here called the White Swan. That's all got black sheeting over it though, so it's another pub that's shut, unfortunately. And then we're here into the town square now. And there were War Memorial. Let me get a photo of that War Memorial. So this is the Cavendish Hotel. It's a mock Tudor building. It's a fine example of late 19th century public house. Sited in the heart of the marketplace, it was built to serve a growing mining town. The name commemorates the Cavendish family of Chatsworth, Hardwick, Bolsover and Welbeck. Right, so there's butchers here, Bowring Butchers. So here we have the War Memorial here in Bolsover, which is a pretty decent example. So what we're looking for here is the town pump. Oh look, it's actually a pub.
Yeah.
Or place to drink.
Oh yeah, dog friendly.
So yeah, this is the pump, and it was the original town pump, and it was restored in 2014 by the Society with support from Derbyshire County Council. Yeah, so here we have another pub. It's called the Sanctuary Inn. Interestingly, it does Spanish tapas. Cascales. So this is the market square basically here in Bolsover, and it has plenty of places to eat here, as well as having the impressive War Memorial and Casa Fresco. If I ask,
Cocktails and coconuts cruise.
oh right, cut. Oh, it's a travel shop. And Judy's sandwich shop. It's marketplace here, Asha. So this row of magnesium limestone shops are the earliest commercial buildings remaining in the town. and they appear on the town map of 1634 and represent the larger range of 17th century buildings which would have been timber framed. They contain elements of wooden crook trusses in the roof, but the frontages were refaced in stone. Correct. Yeah, the person's that literally just copied it. What's that? We're going around to number 2 now. Which is Colton Street. Yeah. Impressive but interesting arch. You what? Ah. It's Cotton Street we're looking for, which is around there, I think. Oh, it says answer it here.
It's over there.
Right? Oh yeah. It's this row of houses, I think. Yeah. So here we are on Cotton Street, and the origin of these cottages in the late 17th century, although they were probably remodelled with sash windows in 1762. These properties are typical of pre-industrial Bolsover, when the town was a warren of such buildings. And there is an inscribed date above the door over there, which tells you when it was done. One.
2. That one there. I'll do it as a number.
Yeah, bloody warm, I know. Yeah, it's 2. I'm going up here now. Yeah. Oh, it does say inscribed date on the top. You can't really make it out very well. It's got an inscribed date on it. The next one's over here. Right, this is the first Methodist chapel, which was built in 1865 as a primitive Methodist chapel. Later served as a Salvation Army citadel, urban district council officers. Public library, and today is the town council. For over 100 years, this building has played a full and varied role in the civic and religious life of the town of Bolsover. What year is on the church? 1911. Hold on. So now we're going, yeah, up here, top corner, and then round. Nice little square, isn't it? Hey? Alright. So there's another pub called the Blue Bell. Every time we're going this way, sure. Out to Panatills. So this place is called the Pantiles. The origins of the house are mid-18th century, built with local magnesia limestone, with a pantiled roof. This house is typical of a Georgian early Victorian house which graced High Street. Known as Overate in medieval times until the mid-20th century. So you can't see this one, but it's a former Presbyterian church, dates back from 1662. Constructed in handmade brick, it's one of the oldest non-conformist chapel buildings in Derbyshire. It became a congregational chapel in 1813 and today is a private house. So yeah, can't actually show you that, unfortunately. You can see a bit of it from the back of here. But that's all you can see of it. A larger Victorian chapel was erected to the rear of the building in 1893 to accommodate a growing congregation, but this was demolished in 1986. A view of the castle. I didn't realise there's many homes down there, Shell. Oh, I can't really show you. Yeah, so this is Bolsover Castle. I can't really give you a view from here, but I'll try and find a photo to share with you and a link to a walk around we did years ago. But yeah, there is a very big and impressive castle here in Bolsover. So yeah, if you're thinking about visiting the castle here in Bolsover, you'll have a great day because there's lots of places you can eat as well in the little town square. So yeah, highly recommend it. Highly recommend visiting the castle. Not only do I recommend visiting the castle, but I recommend having a walk around and looking at the different blue plaques that's in the town centre, because there's quite a few and there's quite a lot of detail. So here is a quick view of the castle here. I can show it you. It's obviously closed today, so that's why we can't get close to it to have a look. That's probably the best view you're going to get of it from there. Okay. And where the pub is, the Pillar of Rock, Spoon's pub, which is very cheap if you want a very cheap meal and cheap drink. Opposite is a map of the square and all the places that you can visit, which is what we've just done.